There's a couple ways of reasons why the RNA has advantages. The first is that the speed that it can be made. To make an RNA vaccine, you only need the sequence of the important antigen in the viral pathogen. Once you've got that sequence, the vaccine is made. You don't have to grow it in eggs or cells. You don't have to weaken the virus. You don't have to inactivate the virus. It's quick and simple.
The lesson learned, very painful lesson learned for Thailand and many underdeveloping countries is that in the last decade, when we have the swine flu issue back in 11 years ago, we also anticipate to buy vaccine. At the end, we didn't get vaccine until the pandemic. That time almost finished. So that a strong answer, an argument that we should not wait any further. We should set up our own supply chain, development value chains to make sure that we should be able to stand up and self-dependent. And hopefully we should also be able to help our neighborhood country or underserved country to get access to vaccines sooner.
Unlock the science, encapsulating the scientific world with Chula Radio Plus.